If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start making this money together. How's it going today, everyone? Hope you're all doing fantastic out there today. Just wanted to bring you in here to cover this trade straight out of the shadow trading program from the other day. So in this picture here, what you see is this is what I was looking at on our trading view chart here. So this trade in particular was for the Euro JPY pair here for a sell position at the 143.72 strike, as you can see there in the top right. Leading into this trade, as you can see down here on the bottom, I have two arrows pointing from the bullish volume diverging with short-term up move. So basically what that means is you can see the volume is going lower, the bullish volume, mind you, because we're looking for a bearish entry here. The overall trend was a bearish trend leading into this position entry here. And as you can see where it says entry candle there on the picture, you can see that we had a bearish engulfing candle at the zone right there at our strike. So upon closure of that previous candle, that big red one right there, that's the bearish engulfing candle, we got in at the open of the next candle on the 5-minute candles, by the way, to ride that momentum down. Now we did have a test of our support, or excuse me, our resistance level there not too long after, for about the next 20 to 25 minutes. Then we got another bearish engulfing candle there heading away from our strike, and we were able to reach a max profit at expiration there, as marked by the final little caption there on the right. It can be a little confusing to look at, but basically what I just want to point out here, guys, look for volume divergence when a trend is going in the opposite direction in the short term than what is happening on the long-term spectrum on the higher time frames with the trend. So basically what you're seeing in this picture is, in the midst of an overall downtrend, we're seeing a slight uptrend in the short term, and then once we get that confirmation, that bearish engulfing candle closing over that bearish sentiment, and you're also seeing a lack of volume increasing from the bulls heading into the entry, that is a great sign that you have plenty of profit potential coming out of the zone if you are correct. And since so many things are compounded together to create a perfect storm trading scenario, you can win a setup like this most of the time on average. But you want to make sure you never over leverage your positions. Always keep your risk tolerance first and foremost when trading. Capital preservation is always more important than the potential profit. There is always another trade to make back any losses or any break evens to go from a break even to a profit. So never over leverage, only risk what you can afford to lose on any given trade, and make sure you're always keeping risk first and profit second. But basically, before I end up rambling too long, guys, just wanted to show you this trade. This is a trade we took the other day in the shadow trading program, and I just wanted to show you a little bit of what I look at when getting into entries here. So there is a bit more that goes into it, but if you want to learn more about the hands-on approach for your own trading, definitely check out the Informed Traders educational package, where I cover more stuff like this in a video series on how to find these perfect storm trading scenarios. Alternatively, I also offer the shadow trading program, which, as stated before, that is directly where this signal is from, and we actually traded this live in real time, and we were able to get max profits on this position. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just wanted to cover a little shadow trading recap. I haven't done one of those in a little while, where I cover one of our live trades from the group. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Be sure to stay safe out there, and always practice on the demo account first before risking any real money, and I'll see you guys next time. Stay safe out there. Peace. If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start making this money together.